Alright, so we will connect another data to our data model. So let's quickly connect that. Take CSV and we want to connect this returns. We will click on open and we have this pop-up. We will just go to transform data to launch our query editor. Here we have the query editor. Now I want this file to be renamed. This should be AW sales returns. Here we go. And let's take the data type. So we have the run date as date, we have the territory key whole number, product key whole number, and return quantity as a whole number. We will now just click on close and apply to close this one, and it will be loaded. Okay, so here we have the AW sales return, but as you can see it has detected one relationship. So we will, this relationship actually Power BI detected is right. So we need to actually, so here we have the product key, we need to connect this to product key. We have the, let me just make it a little bit bigger, we have the territory key also. We will connect this territory key with our territory data. So this is our territory lookup data, and here we have the sales territory. We will just drag and drop it over here. Now we have the relationship between these two. Now we have the return date as well. So we will connect this return date with, guess what, with calendar lookup. So here we have the three relationship, and you can see all of them are many to one. Okay, since we have created all the relationship, now let's actually see how this analysis work. So I will go to our visualization pane and I will drag a, let's say, a table, and I will show you exactly how this analysis work. So first of all, I will go to our product lookup table and I will drag a product name. So I will drag it over here. So you can see all the product names will be populated. So these are all my product names. Now, if you remember, we have the AW sales return table, and in this return table, we had the return quantity. So now let's say by this product names, we want to see which products are getting returned more. So we will just drag this one and also drop it on our table. So if we do that, you can see that this product name, which is all purposes bike stand, which is the return quantity is 8, right? So you can see the product lookup. So I have used for the product name, I have used the product lookup, and I have used the return quantity from the AW sales returns. So if I quickly go back to our data model and if I show you, so this AW sales return, and you can see this is already connected with our product key. So this is why I can take the information from different tables.